Hello everyone, once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. And guys, this have been a very interesting news that you all have been aware of, that India's Supreme Court's new CJI have been appointed today, that is on 14th of May 2025. So already you guys must have seen it on our YT shorts and reels, but we decided ki since this is the most important topic, so let's closely link this particular topic with a concept, that is how a CJI has been appointed. So let's start with our 5-minute series on the basis of this, and let me go take you throughout this particular session and will tell you that how the CJI is appointed and who is our new CJI, and let's discuss about it. So let's start the video. So the concept talks about that under Article 124 of the Constitution of India, it clearly describes in the 124(1) that it says that there shall be a Supreme Court of India consisting of a Chief Justice of India, and until Parliament by law prescribes a larger number of not more than 7 judges. Now you might be wondering, sir, the present limit is not 7, it is more than that. Yes, in the year 2019, by the Supreme Court Number of Judges Amendment Act, the number 7 have been increased to 33. So 33 other judges being appointed. But a very important point to make it a clear, guys, that Constitution of India does not prescribe any procedure for the appointment of CJI. It prescribes the procedure for the appointment of judges of Supreme Court, and CJI being one of the judges of the Supreme Court. So that is what you need to know. Next, the sub-article 2 talks, every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal on the recommendation of the NJAC, that is National Judicial Appointment Commission. So it's like the President is there, under the President's approval, the CJI takes the oath which is provided under the 3rd schedule of the Constitution, and the appointment of the CJI is on the recommendation by this commission, which has the functions given under Article 124(b). So the National Commission's appointment is being referred in 124(a), but the functions I am talking about is under 124(b). Shall hold the office until attains 65 years. So that means till the retiring age. So that is why Justice Sanjeev Khanna has attained the age of 65 years. That's why he retired, and a new CJI has been appointed today. As per the revised constitution, the National Judicial Appointments Commission would have been responsible for the following functions. So what are those functions? First, it says that it will be recommending person for appointment as CJI of India, judges of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of High Court and other judges of High Courts, and also recommend transfer of Chief Justice or other judges of High Courts from one High Court to another. So that means any judge in context with Supreme Court or High Court will going to be recommended by these commissions, and the commission comprises of CJIs, the jurists, the advocates, and it's a proper member and comes under this commission who gives the recommendation, and then final approval by the President happens. And it also ensures that the person recommendability and the integrity. So this is about the concept, but let's understand who have been the CJI, the recent one, and let's take it forward. So the first CJI was Justice H.K. Kanya, which was in the year 1950. Just we have an independent India. So and when the Supreme Court also took its place, that was the first CJI. Then the first Dalit CJI was Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, and Justice B.R. Gavai become the second Dalit CJI, and he is the 52nd CJI who is presently from 14 May 2025 onwards. And before him, after D.Y. Chandrachud Justice retired, then Justice Sanjeev Khanna took the seat from 11 November 2024 till 13 May 25. So that is what have been from the context with some knowledge, the legal knowledge which I wanted to share. Now this is where the Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai saw in the morning of being the 52nd Chief Justice of India in a ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. So we have our President, we have our new CJI over here, and he is taking oath over here. So this is basically what happened today. In the last, since we know that he is our new CJI, let's understand and know some key highlights about our own CJI. So he is the 52nd CJI, will take up the place from 14 May 25, succeeding Justice Sanjeev Khanna. historic representation. He is the first Chief Justice from the Buddhist community and being the second from the Dalit scheduled caste to hold this position following Justice K.G. Balakrishnan. So judicial career, in the year 1985 he started his legal career. He was appointed as one of the judge of Bombay High Court in 2003 and he was elevated to Supreme Court in the year 2019. So you see a very good cream career which he has. Next, his leadership roles, he has already served as a Chancellor of MNLU Nagpur and he serves as a Chancellor and the ex-officio Executive Chairman of National Legal Service Authority NALSA, that is one of the authority which decides about the legal matters. And last and not the least, that is family and the ideological backgrounds. He was born in the year 1960 in Amravati. Justice Gawai is the son of R.S. Gawai, a prominent Ambedkarite leader and former governor. His family follows Buddhism and is deeply influenced by B.R. Ambedkar ji. So guys, this is it for my end for this particular video. I hope you guys must have understood and liked the concept, and for any more concept, if you believe that you want any specific video on a concept, so please drop into the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. Bye bye, take care.